Are you an ACCA, CA, CPA, or CISA member looking to become a Certified Internal Auditor CIA in just 3 to 4 months? The CIA Challenge Exam Study Guide 2025 by Zain Academy is your ultimate resource for smart learning and fast-track success. Why choose the CIA Challenge Exam Study Guide 2025? 1,670 study points with a questioning mindset for better understanding. 1,481 true-false questions to reinforce key concepts. CIA Challenge Exam Guide with proven strategies for exam success. 100% confidence, support, and a guaranteed 90% pass rate. Fast-track your CIA certification. The CIA Challenge Exam is a single-paper exam exclusively available for qualified accounting and auditing professionals. With our structured study plan, you can pass the CIA exam in 3 to 4 months by dedicating 3 hours on weekdays and 6 hours on weekends. Unlimited access and flexible learning. Integrated printable PDF, study anytime, anywhere on any device. Lifetime access, no time or device restrictions. 24/7 expert support, get answers via WhatsApp or email. CIA Challenge Exam learning videos, watch and revise from YouTube for free. Maximize your CIA Challenge Exam preparation. Upgrade to the CIA Challenge Exam Question Bank 2025 with 3,819 multiple-choice questions and explanations of all answer choices. Affordable pricing and top-notch study experience. Zain Academy provides affordable, high-quality study materials so you can pass the CIA Challenge exam without spending thousands on classes. Our resources help you master internal auditing concepts and build the confidence to ace the exam. Download a free sample and start your journey to becoming a Certified Internal Auditor CIA today. Buy now and pass the CIA Challenge exam with ease.